Did you know that if you search on Google for the phrase online trading, you will get 7 billion searches? 7 billion. You heard me right. Well, if you're one of those that's searching for a way to get started with online trading, you're in the right place. Stay tuned to the end of this video and I'll show you how to get started. So if you are one of those that made that 7 billion figure on the Google search for online trading, you are in the right place. All right, you have found the right place. I have been offering a free introduction to online trading, specifically in the foreign exchange market, for the last 6 or 7 years, but always doing it live in person where I live in Southeast Asia. And I have decided to make this available on my YouTube channel for those people who are looking for an extra source of income, who are interested in how to get started with online trading. So let's jump in and show you what's included in the 8 or 10 videos that I have on my YouTube channel. And this is a basic course, a basic foundation, which you need to get started. Okay, you can jump into YouTube and find tons and tons, thousands and thousands of videos that will talk about different strategies, but you need a basic foundation laid down first before you get started, and then you start learning strategies, then you start learning how to win consistently. But setting up the basic foundation is the critical part, to get it right, and that's what these videos will help you to do. First, we look at setting up the trading software, which is MetaTrader 4. All right, it's full of functions and features that you need to be familiar with, and I take you through all the functions and features of that trading software. I go through risk management, which is critical, very, very important that you manage your risk correctly so that you don't blow up your money. You will lose money, okay? Everybody loses money. If you see those videos on YouTube that tell you they make 100% profit, that's not reality, okay? That doesn't exist. Nobody wins 100% of the time. But if you'll manage your risk correctly, you can avoid big losses, and I will teach you how to do that. Also, we'll look at the various trading terminology that's used in online trading, things like pips, lot sizes, moving averages, indicators, MACDs. What does all of that stuff mean? It's terminology that traders use that you need to be familiar with. I'll show you how to place orders, how to buy, how to sell, and the importance of news. Okay, this is the fundamental side. Mostly trading online with the foreign exchange market is technical trading, chart analysis, which I will show you, I will explain to you in this basic foundational course. But you also need to have an idea and understanding of how the news that comes out on a regular basis affects us as traders, affects the movement of currencies and commodities that you will be trading. Okay, so that's the foundation. That's 8 or 10 videos that will help you to get started in the right way. So how do you find those videos? Okay, they are password protected, so you will need to contact me directly. All right, my Telegram ID is @rickrayfx. I will not ask you for money. Okay, this is absolutely free, 100%, no obligation. All right, but you need to contact me on my Telegram ID, and that is so that if you have any comments or any questions, or you need some additional guidance or understanding, something explained, I am easily contactable on Telegram. That's the easiest way to contact me. I do have other contact methods, email directly through my website, Line, Facebook, Instagram, all of those things. But the easiest way to contact me is on Telegram. So that's my ID there, @rickrayfx. Just contact me, send me a message, tell me you saw this video and you'd like to get started with the basic Forex trading course, and I will send you the password. Okay, that's it for me. If you have any additional comments or questions about anything that I haven't mentioned here, just leave those below this video and I will get back to you. This is Rick Ray signing off.